Now you can process dry legumes and peas neatly and virtually loss-free, all thanks to a specialized machine from Sweer. Its front separator system with parallel lift ensures reliable, smooth separation of beans under the toughest conditions. All you need for harvesting is one man, one tractor, and one pass through the field. But the smooth picking mechanisms ensure that the crop flows smoothly to the cutter bar. The machine performs well even under the most difficult operating conditions, such as stony conditions. So, it's a pleasure to work with the machine. With this technique, the tractor driver can feel like a real artist. Only he paints pictures not on canvas, but on the field. With such a machine, planting potatoes turns into fun. With this technique, even a child can plant a whole field of potatoes and do it with pleasure. The 3-row AgriPlanter automatic transplanter is a cutting-edge agricultural machine that can significantly increase planting efficiency for farmers. It's capable of planting up to 3 rows of crops at once, with a spacing range of 15 to 150 centimeters between the plants. In addition, AgriPlanter is versatile and can be used to transplant a variety of crops, including vegetables, herbs, flowers, and tobacco. And this tool is also necessary for every gardener. The TN Profi Chisel Plow, or simply the TN Profi Deep Loosener from the renowned Terraland Company, is a machine for cultivating the soil to a depth of up to 65 centimeters. This model has 2 rows of cutting discs mounted behind the rear tooth rollers. This technique can be supplied in 2 working widths, 3 and 4 meters. In one pass, the machine can effectively loosen, mix crop residue, crush clod, and create an ideal soil structure for further sowing.
When was the last time construction equipment thrilled you? The Lake Sheen Screed Saver Max Plus is guaranteed to change the way you think about concrete paving. This sleek machine doesn't just work, it skillfully creates perfectly flat concrete slabs, turning every project into a masterful job. With laser guidance features and the innovative swing boom pivoting frame, the machine pours concrete with impeccable accuracy and speed. With enhancements including a completely redesigned wireless control system and a quiet Honda gasoline engine, the Screed Saver Max Plus becomes your trusted partner in any construction project. This model of wood splitter from Tejfun is an ideal solution for the industrial production of chopped firewood. With a capacity of approximately 10 cubic meters per hour, this machine offers reliability and ease of operation. Whether autonomous work on the site using a tractor PTO or a stationary installation with an electric or diesel drive, the Tejfun wood splitter adapts to your needs. Feeding, unloading, and collecting systems, as well as a thermostatically controlled oil cooler, guarantee efficiency and durability in all conditions. In addition, automatic wedge leveling and a parameter display make operation easy, while a chip removal fan and discharge conveyor make the process cleaner and more organized. Meet the powerful and aggressive Savannah Model 1720 stump grinder that will change the way you approach land management. This revolutionary machine features a unique wheel turning system that allows it to efficiently and quickly work different types of terrain. With this uprooter, you can get not only a clean site, but also the confidence that every square foot of land is being used to its maximum potential. The unusual appearance of the Savannah Rotary Rake Model 1257 is sure to catch your eye, but the true value of this machine lies in its special functionality. Despite its unique design, the rake offers an outstanding quality of work, ensuring a clean and uniform collection of material. This machine is ideal for agricultural and landscaping applications where you need efficient cleaning without compromising on performance. I think this method of cleaning metal will be an eye-opener for you. Isn't it incredible? How can you not admire this approach?
Nice.
Oh, how cute this plaster piece turned out to be. Great for decorating your home or even as part of a creative project. A great choice for those who appreciate uniqueness. It's interesting to see how stickers are assembled, then packaged and delivered to supermarket shelves. That's the complex path these little delights take before they end up in your home. This is how, step-by-step, true masterpieces are created. Each shade, each combination of colors and divots on the canvas attracts the eye, not letting you tear yourself away. It is a real visual delight. I must admit, it looks creative and stylish. That's how even ordinary tools can turn into whole masters of creating unique parts. Who'd have thought that such a thing was possible? Making prints on products is easy when you have chosen the right tool and interesting pictures. This is your chance to express yourself and make ordinary things special. Meet the machine that literally breaks the laws of physics with its power and versatility. Reverse through muddy areas and carry massive loads that seem too heavy for others with incredible ease. This machine is a true master of its craft, capable of handling any task with ease. With steady efficiency and speed, this machine does its job cutting down trees one by one. Without any pity, but with precision, it fulfills its purpose. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial. How spectacularly the sea delicacies are harvested in the vast expanses of huge farms. And the best part is that soon these fresh delicacies will be on your table, ready for you to appreciate their unique flavor. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is, a washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. And yet, without the effort and care of the worker, this process would not be possible. Human labor is invaluable here. The master makes a simply magnificent product. It is obvious that he knows exactly what he is doing. There is calmness and confidence in every movement. Is there a crack on the interior leather of your car? Don't panic, because there is a proven way to fix it yourself. A little patience and the right materials and everything will be as good as new. Did you know that serving a dish in a restaurant makes a huge difference? This option is simply stunning and is sure to leave guests in awe. It's not quite clear why he does it, but let's face it, it does look intriguing and spectacular. Whatever it's for, the result is fascinating. Working with meat is an art, and the butcher that we see here is a true master of his craft. His skills are impressive, and his sharply sharpened knife helps him do his work quickly and accurately. I'm pretty sure that the process of making false eyelashes will be an eye-opener for you. But remember, it's not only exciting, but also extremely responsible, where every action counts. How quickly he learned to cut the roof parts, but it's unclear why he's in such a hurry, as if he's taking a speed test. I wonder what is behind this pace. This is the kind of work that brings peace of mind. It's a real pleasure to watch how ordinary materials are used to create real masterpieces. Cool! Wrapping wires with duct tape and pulling them together into a single piece may seem like a simple task, but it's not. Not everyone can do such a job with the skill of the expert right here. Skill and precision are required. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. 3 high-performance monsters have taken on the task of taking care of the roads during heavy snowdrifts, and it's a pleasure to watch them work. With their incredible power and coordinated action, winter roads will be safe. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. With just one precise movement, this majestic machine works wonders to create metal parts of impeccable quality. Every product that comes out of its hands is a masterpiece, ready to be used in a wide variety of applications. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. Small, but mighty. That perfectly describes this unusual crawler friend. Don't doubt, friends. Not only small vegetation, but also small trees will be flattened by its relentless pressure. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. If you try to do the same thing manually, it won't take much longer, I assure you. So you see a real find for those who appreciate speed and quality in cooking. The technique of painting the ceiling does require caution because of its danger, but the end result is amazing. The creative and stylish look of the ceiling becomes a real decoration of the room. Auto lovers, remember the life hack. Use this working method to make your car always shine as if it just came off the assembly line. Follow the simple recommendations and the result will not make you wait. It's an interesting way of working, isn't it? It may seem strange to some, but we can see that it is really effective. After all, the main thing is the result, and we can see it. A little human involvement can work wonders in the pressing process with a mechanized machine. The perfect combination of human control and machine power ensures that everything is done perfectly. In the world of metalworking, there are monsters with metal teeth that can work wonders. They transform raw materials into critical parts with impeccable precision. Street food is experiencing a real revolution thanks to the introduction of multifunctional machines that have the potential to replace an entire team of cooks. With these machines, the food preparation process takes on a new dimension. Don't judge capabilities by size. This little machine is a true craftsman. It can create a panel so magnificent that every pattern and line deserves to be scrutinized. Her creations are definitely eye-catching. When it comes to cutting metal sheets with perfect precision, a powerful machine becomes an indispensable assistant. Thanks to its impressive capabilities, you can be assured of smooth and clean edges without unnecessary effort. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Excavator Planner UDS 214 is a self-propelled, versatile finishing construction special machine with micro-stepping function and productivity of about 108 to 115 meters cubed per hour. Such an excavator planner is mounted on any joint cargo chassis with a 6x4, 6x6 wheel arrangement. The equipment can be used for construction and maintenance of engineering networks, development of foundations and excavation works, cleaning of riverbanks and riverbeds, maintenance of roadbeds, and cleaning of drainage channels, as well as to eliminate the consequences of natural disasters. The main advantages include quick activation in extreme conditions, excellent cross-country ability and maneuverability in inaccessible terrain, as well as a wide range of working tools. Even in reverse mode, the snowblower is just as efficient, easily tackling accumulated snow. This is true versatility. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. Here it is again, red-hot metal, which in the skillful hands of a master craftsman becomes a perfect piece. This process not ever ceases to amaze, demonstrating how perfection is born from fiery raw materials. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. It's exciting to see a specially equipped giant meticulously build a track out of crushed stone, laying the foundation for future railroad tracks. This process is not only functional, but also incredibly beautiful. When a cool machine is working, it is better not to interfere with it and just watch the process from the side. After all, it will do all the most complex processes without even bothering. Are you ready to face a real colossus among cars? The dimensions of which make you think about the limits of what is possible? There's a reason it's dubbed the XXL. This titan of industry is able to cope with any task, no matter how insurmountable it may seem. And also, always remember, every problem is just the absence of a suitable solution. Isn't it spectacular? Absolutely! It was a lucky accident that the machinery managed to get to the water before the burning wheel could spread the fire to the car itself. This is truly breathtaking. Look how the fire deftly handles the stains on the white granite. A perfect combination of natural power and purity. Simply mesmerizing. When skill has been honed over the years, making road markings without a stencil becomes a simple matter of technique. It is immediately obvious that we have a real professional here. The work is easy and flawless. I can't imagine how long this process would take if it were done manually. However, it is good that there is a special machine that can take care of roadside areas in a much better and more productive way. This cool forestry attachment will surprise even those who seem to have seen everything. Just look at how coolly the machine cuts old trees and moves them to safety, leaving only unsightly stumps. See how cool it is to have a large machine create important parts with a perfect shape? It would be extremely difficult to achieve this effect manually. What do you think of the idea of moving an entire modular house using special crawler technology? It's not just a step forward in logistics, it's a leap into the future of construction and architecture. This approach opens up new horizons for mobility, making moving and redesigning the environment literally a matter of a day. Let's reveal the secret of the craftsman. Among the world of stationary machines, there are those that have the unique ability to realize real masterpieces in the material. And not just machining. It's magic that transforms the ordinary into the marvelous. Imagine that your hands have touched a magic wand, capable of resurrecting any tired piece of metal. Here it is, a mega apparatus that not just repairs, but literally breathes new life into worn-out items, bringing them back from the world of forgotten relics. It's even hard to say what we see on the screens now, but I definitely know one thing for sure. It captures the imagination and makes you want to see it in detail.
The 4020 was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for drainage slope installations with greater efficiency and repeatability, maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards in North America and Europe. With a compact design similar to the 2520, the 4020 offers the added benefit of increased engine power for laying larger diameter pipe up to 5.9 feet deep. Meet the Converse C10S, a machine that could be the star of any car show if it didn't choose to work for nature. With its three-wheel design and self-propelled charm, it cleverly tends to the hard-to-reach corners of your park or the banks of bodies of water. This machine is so easy to maneuver, it feels like it knows every inch of an area better than Google Maps. As you can see for yourself, the Converse C10S masterfully handles tasks without requiring coffee breaks. This is the EOL 3000 precision-mounted vineyard sprayer from Pillink. It incorporates the latest innovations from the company. This powerful and productive machine is capable of spraying 3 to 6 rows at the same time, and always remains very maneuverable and easy to use, offering its customers high comfort and absolute safety. When the sprayer is connected, a special control interface is automatically displayed. Intuitive menus and icons simplify the setting of the EOL parameters. All active sections, ground tracking, and tank level are displayed on easy touch. With dual downpipes, the distance between the diffusers and the crown of the plants can be adjusted to maintain optimum spray quality regardless of row spacing and plant growth density. Thanks to the pendulum suspension, the optimum spraying distance is maintained from top to bottom, regardless of side slope. Do you need to neatly and tightly trim yew plants up to 180 centimeters high so that all trees end up with the same size and volume? No problem. With a new specialized machine from Damcon. This manufacturer has been able to set the level high when it comes to the efficiency and performance of its machines, so you can be 100% sure of the quality of this machine. The 1 Schaufel Profi is a professional feed spreader bucket with Euro holder, shovel extension, and attachment grid from Flegel. It's designed for spreading silage, square or round bales, and loose forage. Separation required. This bucket is used for transportation and automatic meter distribution of mixed fodder, concentrates and crushed fodder for group feeding of cows, sheep, and pigs. Inside, there are 3 different attached dosing rollers, each of which is equipped with 33 knives. Thanks to them, the technique manages to carefully loosen and shred the material and then distribute it evenly due to the integrated wide ejector belt. On the receiving side of the bucket, there's an integrated plexiglass window, which is used to check the contents, and the volume is about 2.1 meters cubed. This hand attachment from Couple does 2 jobs in one pass, mowing and swathing. Whether it's preparing feed for livestock or clearing the field, the multitasker handles it perfectly, ensuring the ideal condition of your cultivated land. And the most interesting thing is that regardless of the size of your field, the Couple multitasker will help you get the job done faster and easier, while maintaining high quality for future feed. The Converse C420 is not just a machine, but your new water companion that turns water management into an art. With its excellent performance and maneuverability, no water task will remain undone. The engine power of this monster allows it to handle the toughest conditions, making it an ideal choice for any operation from cleaning to dredging. Don't just work on your water projects, master them with a Converse C420.
Meet the new giant on the market, the Shunhung H8280. This machine isn't just strong, it's a true athlete among cranes, equipped with a boom that can take loads where others wouldn't even venture. I can say this with confidence. We have the perfect choice for the most labor-intensive projects. Just look at how it works and you'll see that when it comes to lifting and handling heavy loads, this model does it with ease and style, allowing your project to move forward faster and safer. Thank you. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to gently clean the top surface of a solar panel array. This system can also be used for cleaning building walls, tunnel walls, and ceilings and Jersey-style barriers. The hydraulically controlled solar panel washing system consists of a telescoping arm and rotating brush. And to prevent damage, an electronic or proportional control system that constantly checks and adjusts the distance between the brush and the surface being cleaned. The large rotating brush with soft bristles allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. Being creative with anything turns an ordinary job into an art, making the results stylish and creative. There's no denying it. It really does look cool. Perfect slicing starts with choosing the right equipment. By selecting the right technique, a craftsman can work wonders by perfecting each slice himself. They say you can look at a fire and watch another person work forever. And you know what? I totally agree. There is something mesmerizing, meditative about it, especially when you see the skill and diligence in action. Be honest, up until the last moment it seemed like lifting such a mass was a mission impossible. But suddenly, it turns out that the chances of success are great. Incredible, but true. Anything is possible. Perfect application of motor? Here it is, demonstrated in all its glory. In a matter of moments, everything is done with the highest level, craftsmanship and quality in its purest form. Wow, a fantastically pretty pattern appeared on the dessert. Indeed, the image is complete, not only delicious, but beautiful. Just a delight for all meanings. Wondering if you knew how tiles are hand-painted? The technology is really complicated and requires a lot of attention to detail, but the result is worth it. You get real works of art. Each tile is unique and inimitable. An interesting way of preparing street food, indeed. At first glance, it seems quite appetizing. I would definitely dare to try it. Would you?
The SB460 is a combination of an elevator and a 6-ton multi-purpose hopper. The elevator enables the machine to operate with continuous fast flow and direct loading into a trailer moving alongside the machine when conditions are favorable, providing maximum output per hour as harvesting continues unabated. The hopper can support the process as a buffer in case where trailers may not be sufficient for endless unloading. The elevator arm swings up along the machine and continues to fill the hopper, capable of holding 6 tons of carrots. The entire tine elevator section of the machine is designed as an interchangeable unit, so the 4-row Terrabil section can replace the Coulter elevator. In a year of using Monarch Mark V electric tractors, like those at Constellation to Kalen Vineyard, a farm can become a model of sustainability. These emission-free machines not only protect the planet, but also increase efficiency through autonomous features. The introduction of the Mark V can reduce fuel costs, reduce the need for manual labor, and ensure precise tasks from planting to harvesting. The use of these tractors in a prestigious vineyard emphasizes the reliability and ability to improve the quality of the iconic wines, making the whole process greener and more efficient. Kverneland has finally released an enhanced range of combined seed drills called eDrill Maxi Plus. With these titans, simultaneous seeding of cereal crops and fertilization can be efficiently carried out. What could be more convenient? Moreover, in 2020, Their equipment was honored with the prestigious Machine of the Year award in the field of agricultural machinery. Meet the Delacroix broccoli trimmer, a true technological giant that demonstrates skill and innovation in harvesting. The broccoli soldiers marching along the conveyor belt meet their master, a dual-head trimmer with not only amazing cutting precision, but also an impressive durability of 11 years. This modified machine, having reduced the number of cutting heads to 2, does not lose in efficiency, but emphasizes the company's unique approach to vegetable processing. As you can see, each head of broccoli is processed with artificial precision in preparation for shipment to the consumer. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a clear view of the area being swept. The brush sweeper is equipped with a special bottom emptying debris container that can be easily and quickly emptied directly onto the truck bed. The sweeper is designed to be fairly easy to maintain, and blade changes are quick and easy. The side brush increases the cleaning width, making it easier to clean curbs, and so on. Do you dream of perfection in concrete paving? The Lichtsheen Screensaver Max Plus turns your dream into reality. Experience and innovation come together in this advanced laser-guided model that paves concrete with perfect precision, yard by yard. This lakeside machine tackled the reinforced slab with ease, thanks to the revolutionary swing boom swing frame and TopCon laser receivers. Enjoy a new level of control with the built-in diagnostic touchscreen and the versatile, quiet Honda engine. The PTH Dozer Blade is your new multifunctional helper in construction and earth moving. Turn your Carraro tractor into a bulldozer with a unique ability to loosen and level the ground, thanks to this innovative blade. The Dozer Blade's efficiency comes from its powerful hydraulic system and 360-degree adjustment of the cutting head, allowing you to work in hard-to-reach areas and difficult terrain. The powerful WR Series Recycler is especially suitable for demanding applications. With a working width of 7 feet 10 inches and a maximum working depth of 22 inches, it's a high-performance machine you can count on. With high milling and mixing performance, this recycler can handle the toughest soil stabilization applications. When it comes to soil stabilization, the ideal production range is 60,000 to 130,000 square feet per day. Harvesting radicchio has been made easier with Ortmec's new Radicchio Harvester Agevolator. This machine, although only half automated, makes the work of the operators in the field much easier. The workers are still involved in the process, but now they can concentrate on the quality of the harvest while the machine takes over the hard and tedious part of the work. I'll tell you this, it accelerates the process and helps to maintain high standards when harvesting your salad plant. Meet the Pitbull Rake from Tubeline. Not just a rake, but a real guard for your field. This agricultural warrior is ready to take on all the heavy work of hay harvesting. Like a true pit bull, it grabs any task by the scruff of the neck and doesn't let go until complete victory. Thanks to its incredible power and endurance, the Pitbull Rake makes the harvesting process not only efficient, but also surprisingly easy. Your fields will be quickly cleared without extra effort, and you can enjoy a well-deserved rest. What can I tell you about the JCB model? Firstly, that it's a powerful load-all telehandler equipped with the latest EcoMax engine, which has even won international awards. The machine has a large load capacity, high lift height, and reinforced hydraulics for maximum productivity. A real workhorse, so to speak. Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmot planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches, for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? Let's mention the automatic cow skin brush, Happy Cow Duo. Well, to be honest, just the name itself makes you smile. In reality, when using this two-brush device, cows willingly and independently clean themselves. It's all about the animal's comfort. Effectively massaging the skin, it improves blood circulation and metabolism in cows, which positively affects milk yield and stimulates their reproductive cycle. The Carbon Bite CBM 3000 is the best option for testing rock formations in the most challenging and unpredictable conditions. The main feature of this machine is the presence of a hydraulic drive engine with 2 speeds, low for deep soil loosening and high for efficient mulching to protect and enhance its properties.
With this assistant, which sprays soapy water under pressure, you can easily clean the gates and walls of your house. The effectiveness is obvious. Dirt is washed away instantly and without much effort. Here it is, the miracle of technology. A device that pours liquid with amazing precision, leaving no room for a drop of excess. Such a tool is not just convenient, it transforms everyday tasks into a pleasure. What do you know about perfectly slicing such an unstable product? There it is, a device that slices like a real pro. No effort, no mess, perfect every time. Wow! The power of the airflow is so great that the paint on the car door was wiped down to the base in just seconds. This kind of power is impressive. Wrapping a gift in paper can turn into an exciting activity. The main thing is to bring your skills to automaticity, so that every fold and corner lies perfectly, without thinking about what and why to do next. This tree fell with such grace that every part broke evenly, as if it had been planned. Only a stump remains, a testament to the once magnificent tree. Who says a construction spatula doesn't belong in the kitchen? Well, you'll see how great it is for culinary tasks, and in a variety of ways. It looks like a godsend for any cook. No extra money for a wooden table? No problem at all. With the help of a special film imitating real wood, any table will be transformed. Just stick it on and voila! Enjoy a chic and cozy look without spending a fortune. The Spacer is the perfect tug for hangar operations and or towing narrow-body regional and large business aircraft. The machine has been used at many airports around the world for over 8 years. This series offers outstanding advantages such as full electric drive, remote-controlled radio, powerful electric motor, minimal operating expenses, and minimal maintenance costs. Fully automatic nose wheel, chassis activation, automatically loads and unloads the nose wheel with a single press on the remote control. Yes, and only one person is required for the operation. It can be used as a push or tow vehicle. The Spacer can be parked directly in the immediate vicinity of the gate without causing any obstacles. The Cenoboggan Model A25E is a new generation forklift with a maximum outreach of 46 feet and a powerful 129 kilowatt diesel engine that is optimally suited for various sorting and unloading tasks in warehouses and construction sites. Thanks to its mobile undercarriage with 4-point outriggers, the loader can quickly move from A to B while remaining safe and in place during operation. The loader is equipped with the original Cenoboggan SGM multi-hull grapple with a capacity of 600 to 800 liters and 5 grapple cups. The combination of machine and grapple provides optimum actuation for particularly delicate work and optimum machine adjustment, enabling it to deliver maximum productivity day in and day out. DFM Feller Buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability, and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. The machine will become your main work assistant and will help you to achieve high results from shift to shift. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it operator-friendly and business-friendly. Its main application is in construction material quarries, where efficiency and reduced environmental impact are essential. By providing the right power at every stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These new features make the machine versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. This is how the steel chain gets its final shape. The process is seemingly mundane, but delve into it, and you will discover the marvelous art of metalworking. Create a perfectly shaped metal product with smooth outlines and precise dimensions? No question at all. Having an arsenal of mechanized assistant working as accurately and efficiently as possible. With the Toro self-propelled aerator, you can easily provide your soccer field with perfect aeration. The machine effectively pierces holes in the turf, improving the air and water exchange of the root system. It turns out there is an ingenious way to quickly and easily collect all the balls from the field. This method is highly efficient and can make preparing the field for the next game much easier. Get ready, the special machine is about to make it very cool and very hot. A sight you will definitely remember for a long time. You see, the craftsmen are hard at work, but their most reliable allies in this endeavor are powerful industrial machines. Technological giants easily take on the challenge, helping craftsmen to achieve impressive results. Want a wow effect? Then watch how heating metal to high temperatures and using specialized equipment creates perfectly shaped parts. It's wonderful how modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely, yes. In an age of advanced technology and innovative equipment, our faithful mechanical companions are ready to take on the entire spectrum of work, from start to finish. Today, the final chord in the creation of the trench is on the agenda. When engineering meets art. The CIFA K47H on Mercedes-Benz AROX 8x4 is born, a concrete pump that knows no equal. The heart of this beast beats to the rhythm of 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, surging free through the carbon fiber veins of its booms. And not just a machine, it's the epitome of power and grace, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, play its unique role in creating a symphony. Behind every sound of its engine is the promise of unrivaled power, providing not only efficiency but also inspiration on the way to completing each project. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly.
KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way, with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. Do more work with less effort is Caterpillar's tagline. Adhering to their working concept, they've created a mighty waste compactor, model 836K. This giant weighs about 55 tons, and its power is 535 horses. But the main advantage of this machine is that it's equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. Attention, developed and tested in Finland, in real stony conditions. The machine collects stones across the entire working width in a single pass. The agronic rock tornado cultivates the soil over the entire working width, including the center line, thanks to the integrated center rotor that loosens and throws stones to the side rake cultivators. A working depth of 0 to 3.9 inches can pick up stones ranging in size from 1.18 to 19.7 inches. It also features a low-loss manual transmission, but the tractor power required is 75 kilowatts per 100 horsepower. When it comes to heavy lifting, there's nothing more productive than Manitec's Vala cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons and various drive systems, electric, diesel, or hybrid. These versatile mobile cranes ensure that every project is completed with unmatched precision and efficiency. Choose a wheeled model for exceptional mobility, or a tracked model for unrivaled stability. With a choice of fixed or swing boom and countless specialized options, each crane is designed to exceed expectations in the most demanding environments. Think of the Gibby 1890 Primo as your new secret weapon for working at height. This track lift easily overcomes rough terrain and increases accessibility to hard-to-reach places, reaching a maximum height of 61 feet. Capable of lifting up to 507 pounds, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks, from construction to maintenance. What makes it so special? Of course, its stability and flexibility, which allows the machine to perform the job quickly and with minimal effort.
The RMV consists of a Fanuc R2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster Crack Pro 260 sealer, an air-blowing system to remove debris from the road, and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 480-volt, 3-phase state-line generator. All components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy truck chassis. The RMV requires an operator to drive the truck, while a worker stays in the back to monitor sealant application and refill the crack sealant tank. The company claims it can seal faster than a crew doing the job by hand. When the artificial vision system finds and measures cracks, the data is used to map the cracks and send the information to the robotic arm. The driver can watch a monitor that displays the image from the arm's camera. An LED light on the windshield turns red when the driver needs to stop to let the robot work, and turns green when it's time to move. The TurboSaw RS Model 3400 is a true warrior in the world of commercial land management, offering professionals unparalleled versatility and power. With its unique dual-axis boom that not only twists on its axis, but also bends to create a 5-foot arc and rotates 90 degrees from horizontal to vertical, you have control at a level of surgical precision. Forget hard work and dangerous handling. With the TurboSaw RS, you can fearlessly attack trees near the ground, carefully prune branches, or split crowns apart right from the cab of your mini-loader. Because with the multifunctional cutting disc, even the toughest stumps can be cut down without a trace.
A 2-row carrot harvester operates by pulling the carrots out of the ground, removing the tops, and then cleaning and sorting the carrots for further processing or packaging. It's typically a self-propelled machine that can be operated by a single person. It's equipped with a series of blades or knives that cut the carrot tops off at the soil level, leaving only the carrots themselves protruding from the soil. The machine then uses a series of belts or conveyors to lift the carrots out of the ground and deposit them onto a sorting table. The fact that concrete has to be hard doesn't mean it has to be handled. The self-loading skid steer concrete mixer from Hymac Attachments makes such a difficult job much easier. Mixing concrete has never been easier thanks to the ability to quickly add cement powder to the integrated bag breaker. Thanks to the hydraulic opening at the bottom of the nozzle, as well as the removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model can mix and transport up to 600 liters of concrete in one load. With their precision and speed, modern tillage cultivators have revolutionized farming practices and made it possible to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines use advanced technology and are designed to work in a variety of soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand. They're highly versatile and can be adjusted to different widths and depths to suit specific crops and soil types. Anderson Group has introduced the world's first self-loading bale handler capable of efficiently reloading packed silage bales. The machine is designed to pick up to 20 round bundles of wet or dry hay in a short time. It can move almost twice as many bales as any traditional platform system. This reduces labor, time spent in the field, and fuel consumption. Finally, the superior performance of the RBM Pro Series helps to free the field as fast as the baler goes through it, without the risk of plastic breakage. The Power Rake wheeled rake is the ideal tool for medium to small plots, where a moderate amount of crop needs to be harvested. Equipped with independently moving levers, these rakes are highly adaptable to the terrain, enabling efficient swath formation, even on difficult sloping terrain. Their unique design facilitates material collection and provides excellent swath formation, making harvesting cleaner and more organized. Power Rake Star Rakes combine functionality and convenience, making them an indispensable tool for efficient farm management. When soil requires serious treatment, the Collier & Miller single-tine deep ripper comes into play. It cuts through the earth with such skill that even the worms give it a standing ovation. The single shank ripper penetrates deep, leaving loose, airy soil ready for planting. Dead soil clumps are no longer a problem, and plants feel like they're in paradise. Your fields will be grateful for such care, and the harvest will not keep you waiting. Thanks to a common chassis and interchangeable systems, the Fendt Rogator 900 series applicator can easily handle a wide variety of terrain and crops. The RG934H and RG937H also allow for high ground clearance work at the end of the season with a lift package. Every inch of the 900 series sprayer cab has been specifically designed to increase productivity and spraying comfort. A larger cab with 10% more glazing for unobstructed views and exceptional visibility is a big plus on the job. A state-of-the-art filtration system with charcoal filter and in-cab fan keeps the cabin clean at all times. On your screens is the hero of excavation, the Vermeer Trencher. More than just a piece of equipment, it's a trusted partner in creating trenches for all your projects. From cable installation to foundation work, Vermeer makes the process clean, fast, and safe. So rest assured, this trencher is sure to transform the way you approach excavation. If you're looking for a vehicle that can transport your large family or friends over any obstacle to the right place off-road, the Torsus Praetorian is your choice. The Praetorian seats 35 people, 34 plus 1, and offers comfortable seating with comfy leather seats, gadget charging points, and air conditioning. A complete package for traveling in comfort. To ensure ultimatum off-road capability, the Praetorian is fitted with a drivetrain from a manned four-wheel drive truck with differential, locks, and stabilizers.
It's amazing how spectacular film can look on a car after careful application. It is so good that at a glance, it can be confused with an expensive paint job. A great choice for those who are looking for style without spending too much. The creation of a 50,000-liter oil tank is a real spectacle. Seeing such a giant emerge from ordinary materials is impressive. Wow, what possibilities modern manufacturing has to offer. Look at what an interesting design it turned out to be. The master put his whole soul here, every drop of creativity. Isn't it simply mesmerizing? Noticing pesky cracks in your asphalt? Before you redo everything, take advantage of this unique repair method. And know this, not only is it effective, but it prevents further deterioration of the pavement. Seeing this dish perfectly fried and professionally rolled up into a roll is a real sight to behold. Without a doubt, such a dish must be tasted to fully understand its exquisiteness. Alright guys, catch a workable life hack on how to lay your flooring perfectly and with millimeter accuracy. This method really works. Proven! Do you know why bubbles when taking PPF off with a hairdryer is a good thing? It's our insurance policy. Bubbles show that the film is ready to be removed. A bubble means the adhesive isn't sticking to the panel. Now we simply remove the film and voila! A clean panel with no residue. It's sleight of hand and no glue.
Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations, with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor, as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity, and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. Are you looking for an inexpensive but efficient mini combine and thresher for your crop? Then look no further than this Puhata machine, which features a new sophisticated threshing structure that ensures clean threshing and complete separation of the grain from the plant itself. We should also note the lightweight of the combine, good cross-country ability in difficult operating conditions, ease of transportation, and ease of maintenance. The machine is ideal for harvesting rice and wheat in hilly and mountainous areas, and its high productivity and maneuverability will pleasantly surprise even the most demanding user. Nematech BEP introduces the Hunklinger BKK hydraulic paver clamp, your new best assistant in the world of paving slabs. This machine is designed to significantly simplify and accelerate the laying process, ensuring high precision and quality work. With Nematech's specialization in mechanical outdoor machines and their status as an importer of Hunklinger vacuum systems and clamps, you can be confident of receiving equipment that will exceed your tilling expectations. They say, one of the things you can look at forever is how other people work. And it's true. Thankfully, the guys realized in time that they should not refuse the help of the harvester and began to actively ram watermelons onto the conveyor belt. Without such a high-tech helper, they would have suffered for a long time.
Yes, working with wood and epoxy resin requires skill, but the result is amazing. Imagine wood and resin merging in a dance to create a masterpiece. Who would have thought that such difficulties can lead to such beauty? The danger of such work is obvious, but imagine how much good it does. Without these craftsmen, many roads would turn into obstacle courses, and thanks to them, it is now possible to enjoy smooth tracks. Pouring paint may seem like a mundane task, but look at how it spills over the surface, creating extraordinary patterns. It's like magic that can't be ignored. It's amazing what stylish prints can be made with this gizmo. This kind of handmade is not just clothes, but a real expression of individuality. I would even love to wear something like this myself. And who would have thought that with the help of improvised means, you can create real masterpieces? It's all about creativity. When imagination has no limits, even the simplest things turn into works of art. The new method of cleaning a terribly dirty carpet is a miracle. Although at first glance the amount of work seems huge, the master copes with all 5 points. Some spectacles are simply mesmerizing, and this is one of them right here. Honey in its own amber color and bee honeycombs are like meditative art. Any honey lovers out there? Come on, share! She's definitely a magician, no question about it. These fantastic manipulations behind the bar are simply inexplicable. How else to explain such art in every movement? It's amazing the ease with which he paints on the walls. Looks like he has years of practice in his hand. Well done! This guy sure knows what he's doing.
Liebrecht Manufacturing presents the revolutionary Maxi Reel trailer, featuring a unique design with a heavy-duty frame and spindle system. This trailer guarantees perfect stability without the need for support rollers. Fully hydraulic operation from a tractor or separate unit provides unrivaled ease of operation, including remote control from the cab. Discover the mounted wood splitter for mini excavators, your new best friend in the world of firewood cutting. This little giant has amazing power and adaptability. Tedious hours of work, now it only takes a few minutes to get the perfect firewood. You can rest assured that with this helper, every task becomes easier and more enjoyable. Why waste days on something that can be done in hours? With a dent in every movement that can change the way you think about what's possible on the job site. Reducing costs, speeding up work, increasing safety. Not just promises, but reality. So rest assured, the Model 3400 chain cutter is what you need to get the job done efficiently. The Air Model 900T rake you are now seeing on your screens offers high productivity and efficiency, with a working width of 9 meters for central swathing and 7 meters for side swathing. This machine is capable of preventing swath contamination by ash and producing a high-quality crop. Well, now you see the ROC RT840M, an attachment that knows how to surprise with its flexibility. With it, you can change the working width from 19 feet 6 inches to 27 feet 5 inches thanks to a dual hydraulic system that allows you to adapt right on the go. When the pickups are connected, this technique can unload hay to the right and left, and when separated, it can unload between the two parts or into the middle. And although it cannot be folded for road transportation, the functionality in the field makes the technique an indispensable assistant on the farm. Volvo Trucks has announced that it has broken 2 world records. The company built a powerful truck, especially for this purpose, and named it Iron Knight. It broke the first records, a 546 and 1,093-yard launch. Iron Knight is based on the FH model with its modified quad-turbo engine D13. Swedish engineers managed to reduce the weight of the vehicle to 4.5 tons. The engine develops a maximum output of 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 newton-meters of torque.
The pipe is wrapped so qualitatively and perfectly that it is simply pointless to look for flaws. The quality of workmanship is top-notch, even the smallest details are well thought out. Each cake with this application of color is a work of art. It is impossible to create 2 identical patterns, which makes each dessert especially valuable and individual. I can say unequivocally, this color addition was the final chord of the painting. Now it looks truly complete, like a master's final touch, giving the work completeness. Woodworking takes effort and skill, but having the right tools on hand makes the process smooth and carefree. With good tools, you'll always be one step ahead of problems. The unusual style of painting certainly looks creative, but there is a lot of labor behind it. Such monotonous work requires tremendous patience and consistency, which not everyone will be able to endure. It is incredible how the craftsman handles every part of this custom roof. With his hands, every element becomes part of a masterpiece. It is truly impressive and inspiring. I'm sure this builder is highly regarded for his professional qualities. Not everyone can handle the task of laying walls so skillfully. His skill is truly impressive. Such a unique style of cooking is truly rare, undoubtedly. The chef that we see is a true jack of all trades, whose culinary talents turn every dish into a work of art. In the 1960s, the French paper industry was revolutionized by the floral inclusion technique. The paper had been exclusively white before, and the new method precisely added to its uniqueness and artistic expression. This mirror painting turned out really stylish and original. Great that the guy put so much creativity and imagination into it. This is such a simple device, but the result is simply delightful. Perfectly straight edges and corners of the product. It is a pleasure to watch the process. The The perfect slicing of cheese is simply mesmerizing. You immediately want to take a bite and enjoy this culinary masterpiece. You know, sometimes it's better to say nothing and just watch. Observe the situation. Like they say, 1,000 words together.
Why not make rock harvesting a little more fun with the TerraClear Rock Picker? This innovative machine makes it easy to pick rocks from your field, allowing you to focus on the important things, like your crops. With the ability to lift objects up to 300 pounds, the TerraClear Rock Picker makes hard work a breeze. Are you ready to test it out in action and see how it can change your daily routine? If you need to move something big and bulky from A to B, the OpenBox C Plus is your road hero. From building materials to large agricultural equipment, this open semi-trailer offers easy loading and maximum flexibility in stacking the load. Thanks to its unusual folding structure, you can be sure that the load will be delivered safely and without hassle, even if it protrudes beyond the dimensions of a standard enclosed trailer. The Commander 1 moves through the field, using a series of blades and rollers to cut and lift the cabbage from the ground. The cabbage is then conveyed through the machine, using a series of belts and chains, which transport it to the sorting and packing areas. Once the cabbage is harvested, it's sorted by the Commander 1 using a series of screens and rollers. This process removes any debris, such as dirt or rocks, from the cabbage, ensuring that only a high-quality product is sent in for packaging. In 2023, Google introduced the new LT Master F60. In fact, it's a combination of baler and bale wrapper. Not only corn, but also corn stover, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grain, garbage, wood chips, mixed fodder, and many other raw materials can be processed into perfectly compacted and wrapped bales. All thanks to this modern and productive machine. The LT Master F115 features a fixed chamber press and produces compact bales measuring 1.96 by 1.96 feet. It also provides customers working with small bales with proven Google quality.
The knitted pieces are joined together on a special machine, and we must admit that the process looks very impressive. You can't help looking at every movement, watching the beauty created from simple yarns. A specific technology is used to clean the walls of large buildings, and deviations from it are unacceptable, thanks to specialized professionals and modern equipment that guarantees high standards of work and its safe execution. This is exactly how a perfect dessert should look, with a perfectly smooth and glossy surface. The painting of this table not only looks expensive, but also stylish. Several people work on it, each contributing in turn to make it exceptional. If in search of an original tattoo, pay attention to the master on the screen. His works are really creative and can be a great choice for your next tattoo. If you need a tool to quickly and easily remove old coatings in your home, a tool like this is worthwhile. It gets the job done very efficiently and makes the process much easier, as you can see for yourself. Weaving muffin dough requires creativity as well as skill, and not everyone can master the process. But this place has gathered true professionals who turn baked goods into a work of art. Teamwork really does make a huge difference, and this was clearly demonstrated here. All the workers worked well together, and thanks to their joint efforts, the soccer field was quickly prepared for the game. Here's a quick trick. Take an ordinary bag, apply paint to it, and make prints. You'll get amazing flowers. Simple, but the result is fantastically delicate and elegant. Note that these actions were performed by a professional, so you should not try to repeat them at home, but I must say, the result was so unexpected that it was impossible to get away from it. When making soap, it is very important to be creative and use improvised means. The author of the video vividly demonstrates this, not afraid to experiment at all, thanks to which you get real masterpieces. It is like magic. So attractive and mesmerizing is everything that happens. You can't take your eyes off such a spectacle full of charm and grace. This is how you can transform an ordinary fruit with a simple knife and a little creativity. Agree, the result is eye-catching and makes you admire the craftsmanship. I'm pretty sure you have no idea what you can create with ordinary nails, but trust me, when you see the end result, you will be very impressed. Stay tuned, watch till the end. The perfect paint job can really be addictive. Perhaps every one of us finds pleasure in working with paint and brush, especially when the result comes out so good.
It's time to get to know the Boxer 385D Mini Skid Steer from Moorbark. This compact and powerful loader has a 40-horsepower engine and is ready to take on any task. Its maneuverability makes it easy to work in the tightest of spaces, and the hydrostatic transmission provides smooth operation and precise control. Imagine taking, loading, and moving materials with ease simply by controlling this mini beast with the easy-to-use joystick. Mowing and conditioning are the first and significant steps in the silage-making process. The new Kuhn FC13460 model RA will help you achieve these goals. The mowing area is constantly increasing, but the optimum mowing periods are limited, and it's important to harvest high-quality forage. Win the race against time. The Moco of this model, from a high-performance supplier, delivers significantly higher work output than conventional mowing combinations. As you can see, today's farming has reached a whole new level. The DeWolf Toro is a lightweight 2-row trail harvester with side digger and hopper, characterized by gentle handling of potatoes and high quality of the end product. Toro is the first machine to utilize the company's patented Inclino-Master technology. This system ensures that the harvester is always parallel to the field surface and that the combine is horizontal. This technology increases profitability and prevents quality loss due to potato damage during harvesting. This trailed hopper type sieve harvester contains 2 sieve conveyors combined with a unique and exceptionally potato-friendly curved haulage conveyor. This machine is a mid-size scanstone harvester equipped with onboard hydraulics and a 5-row evolution cleaning system that uses steel or rubber smooth draft rollers, 4 of which are adjustable from the tractor cab. Thanks to intelligent depth control, the scanstone harvester grabs only the soil needed to get under each potato, eliminating cuts and other damage. The machine is also equipped with various haulm extraction points, allowing a clean sample to be fed to the excavator and then to the trailer. The scanstone combine is unique because it can be used to harvest all types of potatoes, including small salads and seeds, as well as harvest larger crops with minimal downtime to set up the machine. You can now watch a hydraulically powered concrete mixer in action, an inexpensive attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The compact size of this unit makes it an ideal tool when working on sidewalks, driveways, footings, floors on small buildings, and other hard-to-reach or limited access areas. The Multi-1 SD series has been specifically designed for use in confined spaces. The rear-mounted driver's seat, like on larger front loaders, makes them flexible and able to move around in tight spaces. Make your farm's cleaning a masterpiece with the Automec 9000 Foglia version. This combine is designed for those who are not ready to sacrifice quality in the pursuit of quantity. Equipped with a precise cutting system, the Automec 9000 gently and efficiently harvests leafy crops, ensuring the perfect condition of each harvested leaf. The powerful engine and optimized control system allows processing large areas quickly and effortlessly, saving resources and time for the farmer. Regardless of the size of your plot, this combine will help you achieve high results with minimal costs. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. The K4 disc chain has a 6.3-inch disc spacing, thereby providing an overlapping area to cover more than 100% of the ground cover, even when working at shallow depths. With its sharp edges and smooth surface, this disc effectively transforms the outstanding weed-killing power of the CL2 disc chain into a lighter, less aggressive option. At the center of the K4 platform is a hook and eye system, to which the interchangeable paddle disc is bolted. The links are connected to form a disc chain, which is secured with a locking bolt. Links can be added or removed from the chain without the need for disassembly. The disc chain demonstrates excellent performance in moderate conditions, working quickly and at shallow depths. Treon introduces a new level of agro-technical innovation with the Treon Optimal M1650 Storm, ready to tackle all your forest management and roadside maintenance tasks. Designed specifically for working in hard-to-reach places with vegetation, it offers unprecedented flexibility. The ability to cut not only straight, but also at an angle backward allows it to handle any task, while significant vertical clearance simplifies access to high and low areas. The fully hydraulic system ensures smooth and efficient operation, making the M1650 Storm an indispensable tool for maintaining order on your lands. With the HPX 195 Pro Push, your farm work will become so easy, you'll feel like a superhero. This commercial-grade manure spreader with hydraulic drive is a true master of its craft. With a capacity of 195 cubic feet, it moves across the field like a tank, leaving evenly spread manure in its wake. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise control, and the robust steel construction promises years of service. Forget manual labor, and let the HPX 195 Pro Push do all the heavy work for you, turning your labor into pleasure and your harvest into pride.
Wow, there really isn't much to add here. Just watch the firing and installation of the road patch. Every action is executed so perfectly that it is simply impossible to get distracted. This little tool works wonders. It makes your car look perfect without a single blemish, as good as new. You think little things like changing the letters on your car are nothing? Wrong! It is a painstaking task that requires not only skill, but also patience to achieve perfection. Indeed, a talented person only needs simple materials to create a real miracle. Take a look at this pattern. It is just fantastically beautiful. What else can you do with watermelon besides eating it? Turn it into a masterpiece! Yes, it takes a lot of time, but art knows no hurry. The effort is definitely worth it when you have a work of art created from the most ordinary fruit in front of you. And when the floor is poured using special equipment, the quality of work is 100% guaranteed. Add to this the high professionalism of the workers, and here it is, the formula for a perfect floor. The technology of coloring patterns on this fabric is so interesting, as if it gives new life to the product. The application of the shade adds volume, and the canvas is transformed right here. Oh, friends, now you also know the secret to making your walls perfectly flat when renovating. This effective method really works wonders and turns any surface into a model of perfection.
The Deere 1050K is a powerful crawler dozer designed for use in heavy construction and mining applications. With its advanced features and technologies, this crawler dozer provides exceptional performance, productivity, and reliability in even the most challenging operating environments. This machine is equipped with a dual-path hydrostatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive control over the dozer's speed and direction. Trackless vehicles offer the Buffalo Turbine Cyclone Debris Blower. The PTO blower is the industry's first turbine-style PTO-driven debris blower. The Cyclone PTO has a direct drive gearbox, significantly reducing daily maintenance. Its high-velocity air output and adjustable nozzle make it an ideal solution for a variety of debris-clearing applications, such as cleaning streets, parks, and parking lots. Chemrock now has an innovative addition to its excavator range, designed for a range of specialist applications, including road construction and mining. New features include the C&B tool from the Cut and Break program, which opens up new possibilities for quarries where blasting is not an option. This tool works with an excavator. First, the cutting wheel forms grooves in the rock. Then, a special device tears the rock away from the face. This approach allows for environmentally friendly mining of soft to medium hard rocks while minimizing noise and vibration, which is significant in densely built up or environmentally sensitive areas. The new K67H, part of SIFA's Carbotech range, is mounted on a truck with a 12x4 wheelbase, which is approximately 196.85 inches. This provides unmatched maneuverability and stability, all thanks to the machine's compact design and clever support system. Its range of 219.8 feet, provided by a 7-section boom, including the last 4 sections made of lightweight carbon fiber, unequivocally demonstrates technical power in matters of new construction efficiency and versatility. You see the PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve, a technique that is ideal for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate bulk sizing required in many construction contracts. The adjustable elliptical stroke combines linear and circular amplitude to provide aggressive screening action. PowerScreen horizontal screens are particularly effective at scalping after primary impact or jaw crushers, and really excel at screening certain fines. Ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. When it comes to felling and transporting trees, you need a machine that can do it all. Meet the Delfab Phoenix from Trax Plus, a 3-wheel feller puncher with a 130 horsepower Cummins engine. This mechanized giant not only cuts trees, but also stacks them neatly, minimizing damage and preserving the landscape. With the option of a mulcher and overhead head, the Phoenix is perfect for various applications, from logging to grounds maintenance, providing superior performance and reliability. The Komatsu D375 A8 dozer is a powerful and robust machine designed for heavy-duty earth-moving and construction applications. This bulldozer model has been engineered to tackle the most demanding tasks in the construction and mining industries, making it a preferred choice for operators around the world. To maximize operator comfort and productivity, this dozer is equipped with an ergonomic cab. The cab is designed to reduce noise and vibration levels, providing a comfortable and quiet working environment.
What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There is no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. Developing the perfect railroads is not an easy task, requiring not only knowledge but also a suitable arsenal of equipment. Fortunately, human genius has already found the perfect solution for its ambitious projects. For those who have never had the chance to dive into the world of manufacturing, it may come as a surprise how exciting and dynamic process flows can be outside the office walls. Wouldn't you agree? It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. Clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. The process of winding the ribbon into spools of certain sizes will definitely reduce your work time, because winding them by hand can be long and tedious. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form, where every action is precise and efficient. When it comes to cutting sheet metal, a specialized machine comes to the fore, demonstrating its superiority over manual work. Its precision and speed deserve not just approval, but also the highest rating, a solid A+.